Hello! Ako po si Dr. Joseph Lee, ang inyong friendly urologist. Ano kayang pwede kong inumin at makakatulong sa akin, lalo na sa trabaho ko, sa edad ko, at gusto kong manatiling healthy? Lagi nating sinasabi, bawal ang mga soda, mga preservative juice, high-grade na energy drink. Kasi kagaya ko, hindi ko iniinom yan because I already knew the complications or the probable adverse effect ng pag-inom niya ng matagalan. Kasi pwede kang magka-diabetes, maging obese, tumaas ang BMI mo. So ako po ay naghanap-hanap. Meron tayong good news sa inyo kasi I have found the ultimate juice, ang One of the Juice. One of the juice. Ano ang mga ingredients? Huamera, anti-cancer. Barley is good for diabetes and for hypertension and good for cancer also. Maca root, that's good for male fertility and female fertility. Spirulina, of course, you know, I do enjoy and support also spirulina. Wheatgrass, maganda for GI and digestion. Mangosteen for preservation of your biliary tract and reproductive and urinary